Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about 10:30 in Honolulu, 4:30 in New York. It is Wednesday, 5th day of September, 2018, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. We do have modest or fractional gains in the precious metals complex, except for palladium, which is down on the day, but gold is up $2.60 currently, fixed at $1,201.70, about an increase of 0.2%. Silver, about a 0.25% gain, gaining about 3.5 cents at $14.21, and that was all helped by dollar weakness today, with the dollar down 31 points at 95.06. A mixed bag in U.S. equities markets today, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average closing up fractionally higher, a gain of 22 points, currently at 25,974. However, the Standard & Poor's did close slightly lower today at 2888, and the NASDAQ Composite loses well over a full percentage point, breaking back below 8,000 at 79.95. Traders, over the last 6 trading days, since gold pricing was unable to, on a closing basis, breach above 1218, we have seen lower pricing. Yesterday, we did recommend initiating a short position. We are short roughly at $11.9940, with the market against us about $1.50. The key is that $1,200 mark. I put the trade on because my thought was that below 1200 we would see some real selling pressure enter the market, and that is a fairly critical number. So the fact that we've closed back above it is not that concerning, but it is interesting because the market was not able to sustain lower pricing after breaking below $1,200. My recommendation, of course, is to maintain our current short position, as well as our stop, which is currently sitting just above 1218 at 1218.13. However, I am thinking about lowering that stop to about 1210, which would reference yesterday's intraday high. When we do raise our stop, of course, I will send out a special trade notification, but for right now, we are going to maintain our short position. And traders, higher pricing in the precious metals today did have some fairly strong tailwinds, and that was provided by dollar weakness. We can see this single day candle in which the dollar did close lower by about 31 points, but traders is still above 95 at 95.06. Of course, my sentiment is that dollar strength will continue to weigh heavily upon gold pricing, and with this month's FOMC meeting having a high probability of an interest rate hike, that should continue to support the dollar and move it to higher pricing. And traders, even though silver did close higher today, a net gain now of about 4 cents at $14.22, what we can see is that the dramatic sell-off that we saw in silver was much greater than anything we saw in any other precious metal. And in fact, we have to go back, historically speaking, quite a ways before we see a point in time in which silver traded at this price point. In fact, we have to go back to the end of 2015, beginning of 2016 to see that particular area. My sense is that if we do get a break below $14, we could see silver head as low as about $13.50. Traders, I still believe that there is a high probability that we will see gold pricing move to lower levels either later on this week or the beginning of next. The fact that it did not have any sustained move under 1200 shows me that there is some potential support at this price area. Below that, as I said, is 1178, and that is our target for our current short position, but I'll feel much more comfortable once or if gold returns to trade below $1,200 per ounce. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.